Shopify one-page checkout. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're supposed to turn on Shopify's very own one-page checkout. So for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your Shopify settings. Now, once you're in your settings, over here, we're going to go over to checkout. And once we are in checkout, we're going to be going to the checkout customizations and click on customize. All right. So here are your general checkout customizations. Now over here, what we are going to be doing is we're going to switch from the checkout layout, and from the current layout that we have, we want to switch it from 3-page checkout to a 1-page checkout. So let me show you how you're supposed to do that. Now, do make sure that your Shopify is on the Shopify Plus store plan, because if you're not on the Plus store plan, this will not work for you. So always make sure you're on the Plus store plan before getting into this. But yeah, that's basically the main idea of it. You're going to come to customize checkout, checkout layout, and just switch it from 3-page to 1-page, and you're good to go. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.